island of Sodor is surrounded by beautiful blue sea. It has fields of green and sandy yellow beaches. There are rivers, streams, and lots of trees where the birds sing. There are windmills and a coal mine, and docks where visitors to the island arrive. Welcome to the island of Sodor.
Edward is one of the wisest engines in the island of Sodor. He likes to shunt focusing trucks very hard. One day, Mr. Topham Hatt needed Edward to come to the yard. "Did you need me, sir?" said Edward. "Yes, I do," said Sir Topham Hatt. "Edward, I'm taking you to this works to be rebuilt. But, sir, who do my jobs?" "Oh, James will." "What? I'm not gonna post those stinky trucks, sir. Would you rather be painted blue than do your jobs?" Okay, I will." "Okay, wait." "Hey, bro, how you doing?" said the brown truck. "I am so scared," said the green truck. "Oh, jeez." James then later getting his train ready. The guard blew his whistle and James went off. "I will get on my way, Slowpoke." "Why doesn't anyone give me respect?" Then there was a collapsing bridge that was unfinished. James went to the bridge and stopped. The bridge was starting to shake a lot. James's strength started to go very down, and the bridge started to fall apart slowly. Some of James's trucks starting to fall down the bridge. "Help! Help!" "Don't worry, James, I'll save you." Gordon then coupled up to James and saved him. Then Edward came back with his new rebuilt design. "Wow, Edward, you look good." "Finally, we're back." "What happened to you two?" "A bridge collapsed, but I saved James." "Don't worry, I'll get Rocky and we could fix this bridge once and for all." But that's a story for another day. Yeah, this video was so rushed. You guys better like and subscribe. I'm tired of filming this.